So if you guys need some outfit inspiration for the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man, you clicked on the right video because today your boy's gonna be styling the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, bruh. Just released yesterday. Everybody's talking about them. Everybody loving them. And I ain't gonna lie, what we got behind this, bruh, all the fits look dope. I can't wait to throw them on and show you guys. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content. And please give it a huge like, especially if you want to see more outfit inspiration videos. If you guys want me to style any other sneakers, go ahead and comment that down below in the comment section, man. You know, we kind of shied away from doing these outfit videos, but I feel like, you know what I'm saying, for these Air Jordan Gratitudes, we had to do it, get some dope fits, match them with the kicks, and show you guys how your boy styling, man. All right, so as you guys can see, man, we do have on the OutRank Brand official, you feel me, the nice merch to go with the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. And I always tell you guys, every single sneaker release, bro, OutRank has you guys covered with whatever kicks you did buy as far as the outfits, man. So up here, you guys see, we got on the sweatshirt right here, you guys can see the front design, man. Check that front design out, bro. Super nice, goes perfect with these Gratitudes. And then checking out the back, you guys see the compliments well as far as the whole aesthetic of the vibe that was running with this collection. And then down below, we do have on the minimal snap cargo pants right here. Super clean, super simple. You can unbutton them if you want to. Only went one button high. And then kind of drape them over the Gratitude 11s we have on feet, bro. The Gratitude 11s is a statement sneaker right here, bro. Nice patent leather. Got the nice cream outsoles, bro. Just a nice fit. You guys let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. Me, I'm rocking with it. And if you did watch my Instagram yesterday, you see me had this exact same outfit on, man. So go check out OutRank Brand. Actually, the hat, bro. The hat is also from OutRank Brand as well. You guys can use my discount code TheVintage to save 10% off your entire order over on OutRank Brand, which I'm gonna link down below in the description box, man. So one more quick little 360. You guys see it, man. I'm rocking with it, bro. I'm liking the fit. And I had to throw this #1 because I had to give you guys that discount code from OutRank. All right, guys, you can see it, man. We got the next fit on right now. And up top, bro, I do have on this sweater from Minimal. I'm gonna put the exact screenshot of what this is over here if they're not sold out. If they are sold out, man, Minimal has a lot of stuff to offer, kind of similar to what I have on up top. Just a basic Minimal white tee. And then down below, we also do have on the stacked jeans from Minimal as well, man. I really love how this blue jean kind of goes with the patent black and the white leather upper on these 11s. Even though you can't really see the uppers on these joints with the stacked jeans, it is really, really nice. It goes well together. And I think that this fit was actually valid, right? And up top, I just got on this Detroit hat right here. This is an all black hat, something real simple to go with the Gratitudes. Do a quick little 360 for y'all. Y'all go ahead and rate this fit down below. Something simple, something slight. But I'm really loving the sweater, bruh, that goes with, you know what I'm saying, perfectly with the Gratitudes right here, man. Just a little bit of inspiration for you guys. Not nothing crazy, not nothing perfect. I ain't saying this is the best outfit to go with the Gratitudes, but it is something, you know what I'm saying, to inspire you guys to get your fits right. So let me know how you feel about it. Rate this fit 1 through 10 down below in the comment section, man. I don't know if you guys can see the pants, bro. It's just a lot going on, a lot of pockets on the side, pockets on the front, just pockets everywhere, man. Like I said, I really love how it goes with these Gratitude 11s, bro. These things crispy, bro. I'm definitely feeling the fit. I ain't gonna say this is the best one I got together over here, but it's definitely top 3, bro. Hey, y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it, bro. We got the 3rd fit on right now with the Gratitude 11s, bro. I'm definitely feeling this fit right here. Didn't know how well it was gonna go together, but I look over here in the mirror, I said, oh Lord, this shit kind of fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The fit is definitely fire, man. And the pants, I'm not gonna lie, the pants I be getting from Minimal, bro, probably the best as far as the graphic details I go on with it. So if they are sold out, man, I apologize, but if it is available, I'm gonna be sure to put a screenshot over here or put a link down below to the specific item, bro, because this goes perfect, bro, with these Gratitude 11s down below. Got some like kind of, you know, red in here, you got some dark blue, you got the light blue jean, just all types of crazy vibes with these pants right here. And it kind of, you know what I'm saying, mixes up, diversifies the fit, you feel me? And that's why I went with this Cubs hat right here, bro. So you got the red, got the baby blue in there. I feel like it goes well with, you know what I'm saying, the pants, you feel me? So the shirt, the shoes go together, then the pants and the hat go perfect. As far as the aesthetic and the color matching, and the color blocking, all that stuff is dope with this fit right here, man. And like I said, bro, the Gratitude 11s speak for themselves, bro. You see them down below. These look like stacked jeans, but they're really not. It's just more on the wider end as far as the hem on these joints. But other than that, bro, the fit is dope. And then the tee. I know you guys see me wearing the Silence tee a lot. This is from Onyx Apparel. I'm gonna link them down below. The t-shirt's more on the expensive side of things. If you want to spend about 80 bucks on a shirt, I'm gonna definitely link it down below. As you guys can see, we got Brent Faiyaz on the back right there, one of my favorite artists, and you have the silence upside down on the front, bruh. Get you guys a quick little close-up of that joint right there. Of course, you know, gotta match it with a watch. Gotta have the nice accessories to go with the entire fit. You guys see, we got the tennis chain up here, pretty much all complement to the entire fit, you feel me? So you gotta have the accessories, gotta have the hat, gotta have the tee, the pants that go perfect with everything that you are trying to rock, man. But the shirt, it's definitely dope. One of my favorite shirts lately, bro. I've been trying to, you know what I'm saying, hold off on wearing it so much because of how that boxy feel. I love the boxy feel, I love the boxy vibes on the t-shirts. And if you got some dope graphics on the back or front, man, it's just a win-win situation. If you guys go ahead and comment down below, let me know what you think about the fit right here, bro. This is fit number 3 for the Gratitude 11s, bro. And like I said, this is probably top 2, man. We got a couple more to go, but this is definitely top 2 fits. I didn't know how it was gonna go well together, but as y'all can see, bro, the fit is definitely fitting, man. Okay, bro. Y'all see it, man. This is fit number 4 right here. And again, bro, we got some more dope pants from minimal.la. And if I haven't mentioned already, man, we do have a discount code over on minimal.la. Use the code TheVintageWorld10, and I will save you 10% off your entire order. But as you guys can see, the pants, like I said, are from Minimal. These are the stack camouflage skinnies right here. And I want to see how, you know what I'm saying, the camouflage went with the Gratitude 11s. I feel like they went perfect together, so that's why you guys see them on a day. All types of different camo. Got some cheetah print, you know what I'm saying? Got some leopard vibes, all types of stuff going on with the pants, bro. And I feel like it goes well with predominantly black and white sneaker. You guys can see them Gratitudes, man. Nice gold hits right here, bro. And I think it's really hard to miss what it fit, given the fact that you do have a black and white sneaker, bro. So it should be definitely easy to rock. And these inspiration videos like this could definitely lead you in the right direction, getting you a nice fit with whatever sneakers you are rocking, man. So you guys can see up top, I don't remember the exact name where I got this hoodie from, but if I do find it, I'm gonna go back through my browser history and I'm gonna tag them in the description box, bro. But if you can find you a nice black and white hoodie, bro, hey, you can't go wrong as far as matching them with the Gratitude 11s, man. So go ahead and check out the fit, bro. Go ahead and rate this thing 1 through 10. Let me know how you feeling about it. Like I said, I ain't gonna put this like number 2 or number 1, but this is definitely a top 3 out of the 5 fits that we did put together, man. So go ahead and let me know how you feel about it. Is this fit a W or L, man? Let us know down below in the comment section, bro. And last but not least, man, we got the number 1 fit out of the top 5 inspiration fits for the Gratitude 11s. You guys can see, bruh, the same silence tee, but we got it in that white. You guys see it's upside down silence right here. And of course, you got the Brent Faiyaz on the back. And then for the pants, this is another pair of pants I got from Minimal that released like 4 years ago. They're currently not on the site. I know a lot of you guys seen these pants on their own feet for the Gratitude 11s, but they have been sold out for a long time. But you gotta stay up on Minimal, man. They got a lot of dope graphic jeans that go with a lot of different sneakers. And like I said, you can use that discount code, TheVintageWorld10, to save you 10% off your entire order, which I'm gonna link down below in the description box. And I went ahead and went all out with this fit right here. This is something I would definitely wear out on a normal day, man. The satchel, you know what I'm saying? Put your wallet in here, whatever you need in here, if you know what I'm saying. And it complements well with the entire fit because you do have red in the pants, you have red in the hat right here, as you guys can see. And the sneakers are black and white. I keep saying that, bro. Black and white is so easy to match with because it's hard to miss, bro. It's literally hard to miss. So me, you guys a quick little 360 of the fit right here, man. You guys see that Brent Faiyaz on the back. Again, one of my favorite artists. You got the dope satchel right here, bro. I love this thing, man. This one was actually hand delivered to me by the owner of this company, which I'm gonna link down below, man. So if you want a satchel, a nice bag, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can go tap in with them, bro. Yeah, man. So you guys go ahead and rate the last fit, bro. This one right here is probably my favorite out of all the fits we did put together just because of how versatile it is, how many colors, you know what I'm saying, that went with this sneaker right here. You might see a couple flicks of this one over on the gram, so make sure you guys go follow my Instagram, link down below in the description box. Yeah, guys, man, I appreciate you for tapping into today's video. Quick little outfit inspiration with the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Please let me know how you feel about all the outfits down below. Go ahead and critique me if you can. If you got a couple of tips for your boy, I'll be definitely interested in reading those comments, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss on any content like this. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The mics go a long way. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. All the links to all the products will be down below if I can find them in the description box. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.